Want dealership-level diagnostics without paying dealership prices? Meet the iCarsoft CR Max 2025, the OBD2 scanner that's shaking up the game in 2025. Is it the ultimate tool for DIYers and pros? Let's break it down. Our product features an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use. The high-quality TPU shell offers excellent elasticity, abrasion resistance, and can withstand temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius. Touchscreen. iCarsoft latest CR Max has packed all capabilities auto technicians would ever need for repair and maintenance services. 32 gigabytes memory, 5,000 milliamp hours battery. For core chip, 7-foot, 1024 by 600 HD resolution touchscreen. In addition to the usual 27 reset functions, oil reset, EPB, SAS, throttle, DPF, battery, ABS, injector, TPMS, IMMO, engine, transmission, fuel pump, etc. We have also developed 22 new services, need update scanner, like AdBlue, clutch, water pump, crankshaft, gas particulate filter, high voltage battery, cruise control, language setting, rain sensor, stop and start, turbocharger, head-up display, RADA, camera, vehicle setup, cylinder shutoff test, cylinder misfire check, speed limit assist, control unit reset, oxygen sensor, seatbelt. Every service contains several sub-services. Quantity of services is based on system ECU your car has. Different from other scanners which only do several external hardware active tests, CR Max 2025 performs actuation test for full vehicle's available modules. It can quickly and accurately pinpoint the fault routes, help to check the new added units working well or not, such as ECU reset test, system check test, electric fuel pump test, empty tank test, oil pressure control valve test, window mirror door test, and so on. Better able to meet the needs of vehicle maintenance. After auto-VIN or manually enter vehicle model, it can perform all detailed OBD2 services read and clear codes, IM readiness, freeze frame, O2 sensor test, onboard monitoring, evap system test, retrieve special codes, ML, read PCM data, read DDC, and showing every system live data, up to 118 data for 4 and 1. In graphic etc. for enhanced data visualization. The scanner not only supports data playback and printing, but also comes with a rich built-in DDC library for quick reference. The operating system of iCarsoft Max supports 15 languages and covers a variety of car protocols. ISO 9141, 2, ISO 14230, 2, ISO 15765, KL line, flashing code, SAJ 1850 VPW, SAJ 1850 PWM, ISO 11898, SAJ 2610, GM UART, UART Echo Byte Protocol, Honda Diagram H Protocol, TP 2.0, TP 1.6. Our diagnostic tool is suitable for 99% of vehicles on the market. Since car manufacturers regularly upgrade vehicle systems, you may encounter situations where some functions no longer work properly. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: huge vehicle coverage, full system diagnostics, easy-to-use interface, lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi, advanced service functions. And cons: feature limitations per vehicle, no active tests, a bit bulky, no TPMS sensor programming. So, is the iCarsoft CR Max 2025 worth it? If you're a DIY enthusiast, advanced user, or small shop owner looking for a scanner that does more than just check engine lights, it's a powerful tool that covers a lot of ground. But if you only need basic diagnostics or you're working with a tight budget, there are cheaper tools out there that can get the job done. Smash that like button if this helps you out, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment if you want a comparison with other scanners like the Auto or Launch. See you in the next one.